Hey guys, my name is Frank Doorhof and welcome in our studio in Emmeloord in the Netherlands. Now, I love to photograph people, and the most that I enjoy with photographing people is getting the character out, but most of all telling a story. And you might wonder like, hey, telling a story, is that like a comic book or a movie? No. What you can do with photography is way more powerful. Now, when you shoot a photo, we only have that still image, so we have to tell the whole story with one image. And this is where we can use a lot of the tools that I'm going to show you today. And one of the most important tools, without any doubt, is of course the choice of light. Which light modifier do you choose for which atmosphere or what kind of mood you want to play? And this is actually what we're going to do today. And this is actually what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you my favorite modifiers, and I'm going to show you also how you can incorporate a lens flare into your shots, but most of all how you can tell a story by nitpicking every little detail about the backdrop, about the model, and of course about where you place your lighting. So I hope you enjoyed this class.